These are three business you can start with 300k right now in 2026, and you'll be earning massive income for yourself as a profit in 2026. Now, these business ideas I want to share with you right now, you can start any of them right now with less than 300k or 300k above. If you have 300k, can start these businesses I want to list out right now. Now, the first one on our list for today, this business idea you can start right now in 2026 with 300k and be making massive income for yourself as a profit every month, is selling perfume. Now, perfume business is a business that you can be making gain every day, because every day people buy perfume. You can look for a brand, you can look for a supplier, you can go to market, all these perfume sellers, you can go to them and get those perfume. You don't need shop, you don't need a shop. All you need is just this perfume. You go to them, you talk to the supplier, and you get those perfume that people are looking for, the one that is trending, that people like, that have scent very well. You get this perfume, you buy them from the supplier at a cheaper price, then you go home, look for your neighbors, your friends. On your WhatsApp status, you post those perfume, and when people see this perfume, they are going to start buying from you. And immediately you buy, you go to the market again, you go to your supplier, you get more perfume. Then that is how you are going to be replacing it. You get it from the supplier and you sell to people on your WhatsApp, you sell to your friends, you sell to your neighbors. Immediately you sell, you go and get new ones from your supplier. And this is how you are going to be doing it rotatively, and you'll be getting your sale and you'll be making your profit every day. Now, the second business idea is selling underwears. You see, a lot of people take this business for granted, and it make daily income for you. People buy underwears every day, especially female. You can be selling all these boxers, female pants, all these things. You can sell it to your friends, you can sell it to your relative, you can sell it to your family members, you can sell it to your neighbors. You can also post it online, and they have other AI tools which you can use to design all these things. You can design all these boxers, all these things. You can get their pictures and be posting them. All you just need is to go to the market, you look for a supplier, and you get these things. You can buy them in bulk. It's very cheap. You can buy them in bulk, different type of color. People love seeing different things, new things that is trending. Now you get them, you sell them to your people, and you'll be making little amount of money. And this money, if you gather it at the end of the month, you will see it is big amount of money. You can be making up to 30,000 naira, 40,000 naira, 50,000 naira as a profit every month, just by selling this type of products to people. Now, the last but not the least, before I mention that, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, the last but not the least on our today is selling content creators tools. Yes, a lot of people are getting into content creation. They want to start content creation, and they need these kits, these content creator kits, these tools, like all these ring light, a small microphone, all this tripod stand, all these things. You can go to the market, you can go to a supplier who is selling these things. You can get it from him or her at a cheaper price. Now, when you get this thing, you reach out to your friends, you reach out to your neighbors, you start posting it on your status. When people see these things on their status and they want to start content creation, immediately they see you posting it, they would love to buy it from you because they know you. So from there, you start selling it to them, and you'll be making little profit. Immediately you sell them, you make your own profit, you get them, you take your capital, you go to your supplier again, you get more products, and this is how you are going to be doing it, rotating, and you'll be making massive income for yourself as a profit every month. So these three business ideas, you can start it with less than 300,000, and you'll be making daily profit, making profit for yourself every month. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.